Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will examine the top 5 stand mixers that have sold the most on the market today to help you choose the best standing mixer for you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also make sure to read the description below for more information and the most latest pricing. Best overall, Kenwood KMC011. This is the ideal size for the counter, and everything can be prepared fast and on schedule in accordance with the recipes. This mixer's design is particularly appealing for contemporary kitchens. Some of its parts can be put into the dishwasher, and its silver body is incredibly easy to clean with no nooks or crannies. The bowl is wide and deep enough for the most of tasks, although rattling occasionally at high speeds. Around the machine there are various hubs for spectacular attachments such as a food processor and blender. Additionally, it also has a dual ventilation system to prevent the motor from overheating. It employs a motor that was developed in Europe that is twice as powerful as typical standard mixers, delivers the ideal amount of torque, and can handle the biggest dough load. Even better, it will enable the ingredients to gradually combine before mixing them at high speeds utilizing Kenwood's electronic variable speed control, ensuring that they stay in the bowl rather than on your tabletop. It includes 3 professional-grade bowl tools made of stainless steel, including a dough hook, power whisk, and K-beater. And each of these tools has been created to mix at a high performance level for flawless results with every recipe. Best Compact Kitchenaid Artisan Mini. Look no further than this 3.5 quart Kitchenaid Artisan stand mixer if you need a mixer with complete functionality but don't have the space for a larger one. Its 3.5 quart stainless steel bowl can mix up to 5 dozen cookies in a single batch and is ideal for smaller amounts. With the tilt head design in this case, you can add ingredients with ease because you'll have better access to the bowl, and during mixing the head can be locked in position. It includes 10 speeds that you can use to complete your work, from whipping cream to stirring components together. This 250-watt device is ideal for mixing smaller volumes because it has the same functionality and tilt head feature as the full-size version. And when turning on the mixer, its soft start feature prevents ingredient splash out. This appliance also makes a sweet and decadent gift for the aspiring baker in your life, since it takes up only less room on a countertop or in a cupboard. Best Large Capacity Kitchenaid 7-Quart Pro. This high-performance Kitchenaid Pro line 7-quart stand mixer is a fantastic choice if you bake bread frequently. This 10-speed mixer excels at mixing heavy doughs thanks to its quiet yet strong 1.3 horsepower motor. It can also knead for extended periods of time without overheating. It has a larger, more potent variation of the Kitchenaid design, which can mix up to 8 pounds of dough at once. This stand mixer can be a culinary center thanks to the power hub. You can use the strength of your stand mixer to help you make fresh fusilli pasta, quickly shred a block of Parmesan cheese, and much more. There are more than 15 extra attachments available, and another feature we enjoyed was the 16-cup flour capacity, which easily handles huge amounts and double recipes. Attachments can spin independently for thorough mixing thanks to planetary action. This Kitchenaid stand mixer also maintains speed regardless of load thanks to its integrated speed sensor. Therefore, if you bake frequently, you'll appreciate how well this mixer works. It's a real workhorse and meets all of your expectations for a professional grade mixer. Best Splurge Wolf Gourmet. This is renowned for its exceptional quality and craftsmanship, despite the fact that this stand mixer is relatively new to the market. This model features a bowl lift similar to the Kitchenaid Pro line mixer, but this unique design allows you to easily raise and lower the bowl with the turn of a bowl's handle. It includes a powerful 500-watt motor and a 7-quart bowl that can hold 8 pounds of dough at once. Bakers will appreciate the excellent mixing speed control provided by the variable speed dial and pulse function for adding ingredients gradually to the mixer. The flat beater, whisk, and dough hook that come with this Wolf Gourmet high-performance stand mixer are all top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup even easier. You will enjoy the design of this mixer if you already own Wolf items, as its red knob and brushed finish go nicely with other Wolf appliances. Switching between attachments is very straightforward thanks to the locking system and simplified magnetized attachment cover. Meanwhile, the stainless steel basin is big enough to make dough for pans of birthday cake batter, trays of fresh focaccia, or your preferred cookie recipe, while its broad handle makes moving bulky batches easier. Best for beginners Hamilton Beach. This 6-speed stand mixer does a respectable job of mixing most bread dough and fast bread recipes for the price. With 290 watts of peak power, 6 programmable speeds, and quick burst, this mixer can be configured to handle any activity from a quick whip to a thorough stir. By adding the bowl rest feature, a hand mixer will be able to rest on the side of the bowl, preventing sloppy drips. And this bowl can be rotated using the shift and stir feature for thorough mixing. The stainless steel bowl that comes with this hand and stand mixer is sizable enough to hold your favorite recipes while still fitting easily into your dishwasher. Further to that, since it is a lightweight hand mixer, it is simple to separate from the base, giving you more mixing flexibility to handle any baking recipe. Finally, for accessories, this set includes a kitchen mixer as well as a conventional beater, a whisk, and dough hooks. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.